Introducing the Rubbermaid Rapid Shelf Closet System, a system that can be installed on U-shaped and L-shaped walls and even imperfect angles. In this installation video, we will demonstrate the proper installation of an L configuration. Before you begin installation, ensure you have the following tools. How to assemble the back wall of the L. Step 1. Installing the back channel. Begin installation by measuring the wall from corner to corner using measuring tape. Mark the desired height of the shelf on the wall using a pencil. Measure and mark the back channel 1 inch shorter than the desired length of the wall and cut to size. Using a stud finder, locate and mark studs on the wall with a pencil. Drill pilot holes into all studs using a 1/8 inch drill bit. If no studs are available, measure and mark the wall every 12 inches. Drill all pilot holes using a 3/8 inch drill bit. Place drywall anchor in each pilot hole and press the black push pin into the anchor to expand. Mount the back channel by inserting one number 10 by 2 inch wood screw A into a pilot hole or drywall anchor towards the center of the back channel. Turn the back channel and place a level on top to ensure it's level before securing it to the wall by inserting number 10 by 2 inch wood screws A into the remaining pilot holes or drywall anchors. Step 2. Installing side brackets. Place one side bracket on a side wall and slide it backwards until it contacts the rear surface of the back channel. Ensure there is no gap between the side bracket and the front edge of the back channel. Level the side bracket and using a pencil, mark the wall through the top slots in the side bracket. Remove the side bracket and check for studs. Drill pilot holes into studs using a 1/8 inch drill bit. Replace the side bracket on side wall and using a drill and a Phillips number 2 drill bit, secure it by inserting two number 10 by 2 inch wood screws A into the pilot holes or drywall anchors. Repeat this process on the other side to secure the second side bracket. Step 3. Installing the melamine board. Using measuring tape, measure the back wall. The melamine board needs to be a 1/2 inch but no more than 1 inch shorter than the length of the back wall. Measure and mark the melamine board and cut to size using a circular saw. Next, rest the melamine board on the installed side brackets. Slide it backwards into the back channel and push firmly to ensure it contacts the rear surface of the back channel. Using a drill and a Phillips number 2 drill bit, attach the melamine board to the side wall bracket from the underside by inserting two number 10 by 3/4 inch wood screws B. Repeat on the other side. Attach the melamine board to the back channel from the underside by inserting number 10 by 3/4 inch wood screws B through the holes in the bottom of the back channel. Step 4. Installing the shelf trim. Ensure you have the correct component part by reviewing the orientation. The top is shorter in length than the bottom, and the taller side of the shelf trim will contact the side wall. Expand the shelf trim over the installed melamine board. Slide it backwards until it contacts the front edge of the melamine board. Press firmly from the top and bottom to snap the shelf trim into the installed side bracket in 4 places, 2 on top and 2 on the bottom. Repeat this process on the other side. Step 5. Installing the angle brackets. If installing the shelving unit without a hang rod, use angle brackets. If installing the shelving unit with a hang rod, use angle brackets with hook. Begin by locating the studs on the back wall using a stud finder and mark them on the wall with a pencil 7 inches below the installed melamine board. Review the marks on the wall to ensure it meets the install criteria. The first and last studs are no more than 16 inches from each end of the melamine board. Each stud is no more than 32 inches apart from one another. If the locations of the studs places the brackets in a way that is not aesthetically pleasing, use drywall anchors. Simply mark the wall with a pencil to the desired design and ensure it meets the drywall install criteria. The first and last drywall anchors are no more than 6 inches from each end of the melamine board. Each drywall anchor is no more than 24 inches apart from one another. Drill pilot holes into studs using a 1/8 inch drill bit. Using a Phillips No. 2 drill bit, fasten screws A into the pilot holes or drywall anchors until the threads are no longer visible. Next, place an angle bracket on the wall by aligning the keyhole in the angle bracket with a screw on the wall. Press the angle bracket down to engage. Drill a pilot hole through the hole in the bottom of the angle bracket into a stud using a 1/8 inch drill bit. If drywall mounting, outline the hole in the bottom of the angle bracket with a pencil. Remove the angle brackets and drill pilot holes using a 3/8 inch drill bit. Place a drywall anchor in the pilot hole and press the black push pin into the anchor to expand. Using a Phillips No. 2 drill bit, secure the angle bracket to the wall by inserting one No. 10 by 2 inch wood screw A into the pilot hole or drywall anchor. Next, using a level, ensure the melamine board is level and secure the angle bracket to the melamine board by inserting two No. 10 by 3/4 inch wood screws B through the holes in the top of the angle bracket. Repeat this process on all angle brackets to secure the angle brackets to the wall and melamine board. How to assemble the side wall of the L. Step 1. Installing the back channel. Begin installation by determining the desired length of the side wall of the closet. Measure and mark the back channel 1 inch shorter than the desired length of the side wall and cut to size. Repeat the installation of the back channel. Step 2. Installing the melamine board. Measure and mark the melamine board to the desired length and cut using a circular saw. Slide the corner H channel over one end of the melamine board. Next, rest the melamine board on the lower lip of the back channel and slide it backwards, then laterally until the corner H channel contacts the front surface of the installed melamine board. Press firmly to secure. Ensure there's at least a 1/2 inch of the melamine board extended past the end of the back channel on the open side of the shelf. Finally, attach the melamine board to the back channel using a Phillips No. 2 drill bit and No. 10 by 3/4 inch wood screws B. Step 3. Installing the angle brackets. Repeat the installation of the angle brackets in line with the install criteria. If stud mounting, ensure the first and last studs are no more than 16 inches from each end of the melamine board and that each angle bracket is no more than 32 inches apart from one another. If drywall mounting, ensure the first and last drywall anchors are no more than 6 inches from each end of the melamine board and that each drywall anchor is no more than 24 inches apart from one another. Step 4. Installing the pole cup and hang rods. Position the pole cup on the wall in line with the locator marks on the bottom of the installed shelf trim. Ensure there's no gap between the installed shelf trim and the pole cup. Using a pencil, outline the 2 holes in the pole cup. Remove the pole cup and, using a stud finder, locate and mark studs in the circles drawn on the wall. Drill pilot holes into studs using a 1/8 inch drill bit. If no studs are available, drill pilot holes in the drawn circles using a 3/8 inch drill bit. Place a drywall anchor in each pilot hole and press the black push pin. Replace the pole cup on the wall and, using a drill and a Phillips No. 2 drill bit, secure it by inserting 2 No. 10 by 2 inch wood screws A into the pilot holes or drywall anchors. Next, measure the front edge of each melamine board to determine the hang rod lengths. To connect hang rods at a corner, use the corner rounded hang bar. Each corner rounded hang bar utilizes 9 inches of space. Therefore, subtract 9 inches from both hang rod lengths to get the final length per rod. Measure and mark the hang rod to size. Cut the hang rod using a hacksaw. Repeat for the second hang rod. Insert one end of a hang rod joiner into the hang rod. Insert the other end of a hang rod joiner into the corner rounded hang bar. Twist to secure until both edges meet and align. Repeat this process on the remaining hang rod. Next, place the assembled hang rod in the installed pole cup and on top of the hooks on the angle brackets. Press the assembled hang rod down to snap it into place. Finally, insert the hang rod cap into the open end of the assembled hang rod and twist to secure. Step 5. Installing the shelf end cap. Slide the shelf end cap over the exposed edge of the melamine board on the open side of the shelf and press firmly to secure. You have now completed the proper installation of an L configuration of the Rapid Shelf Closet System. Visit Rubbermaidpro.com today for more information about the Rapid Shelf Closet System.